Vegetable gardening is not just a rewarding hobby, it's a gateway to fresh, nutritious produce and a deeper connection with nature. Whether you're a novice or seasoned gardener, success in cultivating a thriving vegetable garden requires a combination of knowledge, dedication, and a bit of green thumb intuition. In this video, we will explore essential tips that can help you achieve success in your vegetable gardening journey. Choose the right location. Selecting the perfect location for your vegetable garden is a foundational step in ensuring its success. Most vegetables thrive when exposed to at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, making it imperative to choose a spot that basks in ample sunlight. Moreover, pay close attention to proper drainage to avert the risks associated with waterlogging, such as root rot and other detrimental issues. Opt for a level area that facilitates good air circulation, as this not only helps plants breathe, but also prevents the accumulation of pests and diseases. Plan your garden layout. Careful and meticulous planning is the backbone of a successful vegetable garden. Consider the mature size of each plant during the planting phase, ensuring optimal spacing for ample sunlight penetration and effective air circulation. Embrace the concept of companion planting by grouping together plants with similar water and nutrient requirements, fostering a harmonious environment that maximizes their growth potential. A well-organized garden layout not only utilizes space efficiently, but also acts as a strategic defense, minimizing the risk of diseases spreading among plants. Through thoughtful planning, your vegetable garden becomes a thriving ecosystem where each plant complements the others, contributing to the overall health and productivity of the entire garden. Invest in quality soil. The significance of quality soil cannot be overstated when it comes to cultivating a flourishing vegetable garden. Begin by conducting a thorough soil test to gauge its pH and nutrient levels. Most vegetables thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil conditions. To enhance soil structure and fertility, enrich it with organic matter like nutrient-rich compost or well-rotted manure. Regularly amending the soil not only boosts fertility, but also ensures that your plants have the optimal conditions for robust growth. Investing in quality soil is an investment in the long-term health and productivity of your vegetable garden. Water wisely. Proper watering is a cornerstone of successful vegetable gardening. Since most vegetables prefer consistently moist soil, establish a regular watering schedule. Timing is crucial. Water early in the day to minimize evaporation and reduce the risk of diseases resulting from damp conditions overnight. Implement efficient watering techniques such as a soaker hose or drip irrigation, directing water directly to the base of the plants while avoiding wetting the foliage. This not only conserves water, but also helps prevent fungal issues and promotes the health of your vegetable garden. Mulch for moisture retention. Mulching emerges as a simple yet highly effective practice that bestows multiple benefits upon your vegetable garden. A layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, acts as a protective shield, aiding in the retention of soil moisture. Furthermore, mulch suppresses weed growth, minimizing competition for nutrients and water. The insulation provided by mulch regulates soil temperature, creating a stable environment for plant roots. As the organic mulch decomposes over time, it contributes valuable organic matter to the soil, enhancing its structure and overall health. In essence, mulching stands as an eco-friendly and efficient strategy to fortify your vegetable garden against various challenges while promoting sustainable cultivation practices. Implement crop rotation. Crop rotation is a vital practice in maintaining a healthy and productive vegetable garden. The aim is to prevent soil-borne diseases and preserve soil fertility over time. Avoid planting vegetables from the same family in the same spot year after year, as this can lead to the buildup of pathogens and nutrient depletion. Rotate crops strategically, taking into account their nutritional needs and growth habits. This not only disrupts the life cycle of pests and diseases, but also promotes a balanced and robust garden ecosystem. By implementing crop rotation, you contribute to the long-term sustainability of your vegetable garden, ensuring that the soil remains fertile and conducive to successful plant growth. Choose the right varieties. Selecting the appropriate vegetable varieties for your specific climate and growing conditions is a pivotal factor in the success of your garden. Consider essential factors such as days to maturity, disease resistance, and adaptability to your region. Seeking advice from local nurseries and agricultural extension services can provide valuable insights into the best varieties suited for your area. By choosing the right varieties, you increase the likelihood of a bountiful harvest while mitigating potential challenges associated with climate and soil conditions. Control pests naturally. Effective pest management is a key aspect of successful vegetable gardening, and embracing natural methods is both environmentally friendly and sustainable. Instead of resorting to chemical pesticides, explore natural alternatives to control pests. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and predatory beetles, which can act as natural predators, keeping harmful pests in check. Another effective strategy is companion planting, where pest-repelling herbs and flowers are strategically planted alongside vegetables. This not only deters pests, but also enhances biodiversity in your garden, creating a more resilient and balanced ecosystem. By prioritizing natural pest control methods, you promote a healthier environment for your plants while minimizing the impact on beneficial organisms. Support your plants. Providing proper support for your vegetable plants is a crucial element in ensuring their health and productivity. Vining varieties such as tomatoes and cucumbers, in particular, greatly benefit from support structures. Utilize stakes, cages, or trellises to elevate and support plants, keeping them off the ground. This practice not only facilitates better air circulation around the plants, but also plays a significant role in preventing the onset of diseases. Elevated plants are less susceptible to soil-borne pathogens, and the improved airflow helps create an environment less conducive to fungal infections. Supporting your plants also minimizes the risk of fruits and vegetables coming into direct contact with the soil, thereby reducing the likelihood of rot and making it more challenging for pests to infest your precious crops. Practice timely harvesting. Timely harvesting is a critical component in the journey towards a successful vegetable garden. Regularly inspect your garden for mature produce and harvest promptly when vegetables reach their peak ripeness. Harvesting at the right time ensures optimal flavor, texture, and nutritional value in your homegrown produce. Overripe vegetables not only lose their quality, but can also attract pests and diseases, posing a threat to the overall health of your garden. Develop a harvesting schedule based on the specific needs of each crop, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor when they are at their most delicious and nutritious. By adopting this practice, you not only maximize the enjoyment of your homegrown vegetables, but also contribute to the ongoing vitality of your garden. Embarking on a vegetable gardening journey can be both satisfying and fruitful with the right knowledge and practices. By choosing the right location, planning your garden layout, investing in quality soil, and following these essential tips, you can create a thriving vegetable garden that provides an abundance of fresh, homegrown produce. Remember, successful vegetable gardening is a continuous learning experience, so stay curious, adapt to your garden's needs, and enjoy the process of nurturing nature's bounty right in your backyard.